The dump truck's container was ripped and crash-landed alongside
the truck over the side. The 71-year-old driver.
The dump truck's container was ripped open after a massive crash, but both drivers survived the impact. Warned people nearby. Luckily, no one was hurt in the crash. Always look carefully before crossing the street. A fire truck crashed into a building while trying to avoid an idiot who carelessly crossed the street.
He's going! Whoa! Holy!
Did that idiot even look before crossing the street? The suspect was quickly apprehended after a perfect pit maneuver by the police. Thankfully, the pedestrian was safe. He was just a foot away from the crash.
For per, Young did a study that ranks cities in terms of how
Insane speed. I hope the driver is okay after that high-speed crash. Always keep a safe distance from trucks. Slowing down before a curve is something every driver should do. Damn, that pickup truck tried to avoid the braking car in front by driving into the oncoming lane. The gap between those two cars isn't big enough to pass through? Idiot. The snow-covered highway caused a massive pileup involving 40 to 60 cars. A drunk idiot driving in the wrong lane caused the crash. Be cautious when passing other vehicles. I hope the driver learns a lesson from this incident. All three of them got out of the car quickly. They're fine after that crazy crash.
Whether or not, something else.
A pickup truck crashed into a New Mexico gas station, barely avoiding a nearby driver. Accidents like this show how unpredictable the road can be. A car speeding at 120 mph barely missed a police officer on the highway during a routine stop. Thankfully, he escaped unharmed. Always maintain a safe distance when taking photos near train tracks. Trains can approach faster than expected, and safety should always come first. A car crashed into a store, hitting a customer inside. Fortunately, the customer sustained only minor injuries.
Two more things I need to put on that list.
A quiet Saturday evening at Sarawak turned chaotic when a car sped through the A fast approaching train nearly hit a man crossing the tracks, but luckily he managed to run off just in time. A very close call.
Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Just happened in Penalty.
Thank you for
Lands upside down and bursts into flames. Look at that. According to police, the truck and another vehicle collided, which sent the truck over the side. The 71-year-old driver did not survive that. Wow. We are getting...
A drunk driver caused an accident that left 26 people injured. Do you think penalties for drunk driving should be increased?